time for the second among three teams from France, which is going deeper into the world of ultrasounds. Give a bravo to CopSonic.
IoT is about connectivity. IoT is as well about security, and CopSonic can bring both together. I'm Brian from CBO from CopSonic, and I'm going to introduce you to this standard. The main idea is to use ultrasonic communication to enable near-field communication between any intelligent device and all mobile phones around the world, just using the speakers and the microphones, and using sounds and ultrasounds to either interact with the devices or transmit data from one device to the other. If you have to look at the different communication technologies that exist currently, such as NFC or Bluetooth, we came to the conclusion that on the 2 billion of smartphones that currently exist, only 40% are really compatible with those technologies. And that is where CopSonic thought that there would be a solution. We have microphones, we have speakers on all mobile phones, so we can be compatible with 100% of the devices, smartphones, but also basic phones. And thus we can propose a solution which is ATAWA. That is to say, it can be used anytime, anywhere, on any device. Now with this, we can empower three main development axes with immediate solutions for the market. We bring a complement or alternative to NFC for secured authentication, for mobile payments, for security, for identity management, passwordless authentication. We can also bring additional technologies to Bluetooth for proximity detection, geofencing solution, geomarketing, pushing information directly to the smartphones of your consumers. And finally, the third X is IoT. We can transform any phone into a remote control to interact with locks, but also with any electric or electronic device of your daily life. We have 5 main advantages. The first one is we are universal. We are using microphones and speakers, so we address all mobile phones. But we're also web to mobile compatible. That is to say that we can integrate our technology into websites or into HTML pages to communicate between a desktop and any smartphone. Also, we are no harmful radiation. As we are a non-electromagnetic solution, we can easily be deployed in schools or even hospitals without any risk. But also we can be used in extreme conditions such as nuclear plants or even war zones. In some specific cases, we're cloud secure, so we can put all the security on the cloud. And for geofencing purposes, we are also non-penetrating. That is to say that if you capture the ultrasound, you know that you're in the same room as the ultrasound and not in the room next to it. It is a result of 5 years of research and development with a very strong team of 27 engineers working all day on the technology. We currently achieve 10 different algorithms to play with the security level, the distance of detection, but also, and most important, we achieve to create a full duplex communication based on ultrasound, whom we can exchange 5 kilobytes on standard smartphones, and even up to 25 kilobytes second on IoT devices. We've filed different patents to protect this technology. This technology is sold as an SDK to enable all our partners and customers to integrate it directly into their vertical applications. We just bring the ultrasonic expertise to them. It is currently already adopted for different use cases by different partners such as Netaxis, Airbridge, which are major players, but also by different startups who are empowering their ideas based on our SDK. So if we have a look at the Netaxis payment solution, they provide an online payment solution based on ultrasounds. The idea is to bring back a transaction time of 2 minutes, entering credit card details, to only 20 seconds, where the ultrasounds carry all the information. The advantage is there for everyone. For consumers, the experience in his hands, no more typing of information. It's very fast, so you pay in 20 seconds, much better. For e-merchants, they will lose less baskets than they lose currently. And also it's very easy to integrate into the website through the SDK. And for banks, they will have an alternative to these 3D secure SMSs, which are very costly. And we add a new security level against phishing. We also have numerous other use cases, among which Airbus, who is trying to control lights above seats using ultrasounds. Orange is using our solutions to provide identity management and geofencing solutions, or the French postal offices are connecting their mailboxes for one-time accesses to them. The idea with the Challenge Up program is to provide CopSonic technology. For Cisco, we can work with security solutions.